and today I'm going to be sharing with you a Aldi haul. I just got in the door. I just carried in about 13 bags of groceries in from Aldi's off the bus. I'm so proud of myself. I went by myself and rode the bus and got it conquered early this morning. I left at about 10 till 10, didn't get there till about 10:15, and it is now 12:35. So it is lunchtime, and I just thought that I would just start this video this way, kind of chatty with you guys. But I bought this from Aldi. This is going to be my lunch. It is the Santa Fe salad. It looks really, really good. Probably a little spicy, but it kind of reminded me of, is it a Southwest salad that Chick-fil-A has? Let me know down below. I think that's what it's called. I really like it. So this kind of reminded me of that, and so I thought it was really good. The weather is beautiful today. A little chilly, just a little. It's in the 50s, but sunshiny like crazy. I'm also going to have some grapes I bought today. Just trying to do a little bit better, guys. Just trying to do a little bit better. But anyways, the weather is beautiful, and because of the ginormous weather change, my skin has been going crazy. So if it looks a little strange, just know that I have been lathering up in moisturizer and lip balm like crazy. But this weather change has threw my skin for a little bit of a crazy mess. Ronnie just left for the gym. So I'm home by myself, and I'm going to quickly eat my lunch, and then I'm going to come back and film my grocery haul, and I'm going to get this video out to you all hopefully today. So keep your fingers crossed, guys. My lovely mother-in-law came over here this morning, and I thought I was going to have to plug in all this equipment today and figure it out. And she usually has always done it for Ronnie, and we're plugging it in here in the living room. And I thought I was going to have to come home to that hot mess. And she came over and plugged it all in and did it the way that I wanted, with the cords draped the way I wanted them. And just was so nice. And I'm so appreciative that now I don't have to plug that in. I just have to learn how to work it, which I think I can manage. So anyways, so far, I'm ahead of the game. I'm going to eat some lunch because my sugar is on the floor, y'all. I have not eaten anything yet today, and I just need a little something. And I will get back, and I will film my grocery haul. Okay, I got everything out on the table so I can share with you. And when I'm done sharing, I will read off my menu plan for the remainder of the month of, I'm trying to set this on the shelf, of the remainder of the month of March. So we're almost going into April, guys. It's unreal. Well, let's see. The first thing is if you've never checked out cards at Aldi, check them out. They are really awesome. I got this for my son. He was in a competition recently, and he made the finals, and I just thought this card was suitable for him. I'm very proud of him. He is doing such great things with the music department at the college he attends, so very proud of him. If you all don't know, my oldest son, Luke. So Luke, if you're watching, Mama loves you. So I got some scalloped potatoes. Back there, I've got some eggs. I got a head of cabbage, a can of Pringles. This is their brand of Pringles, though. We absolutely love this from the frozen section. I bought 2 of these. We had these this week. We'll have these a week from now. Again, Ronnie and I love this. It's cheaper than eating out. It's just as good as regular Chinese food. Very, very good. Got some seasoned French fries. And I don't know why I'm getting hoarse on you guys. So I got some broccoli, and this broccoli in a bag frozen like this, I think is like 99 cents. So really a good deal. That's my second bag of the lo mein. I got a thing of peppers because I'm going to be making some fajitas tonight. Some bananas. 2 things of hot pork sausage. Those were on sale today, and that was a really good deal. So that's why I bought 2 instead of 1. We got some hot salsa because Ronnie loves hot salsa. I got some coffee creamer, and I'm absolutely in love with the vanilla caramel. It is so good. So if you haven't tried it, try it. Got yellow cake mix. I do a lot of things with a yellow cake mix. I make peanut butter cookies, a dump cake, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to use it for, but I didn't have any more yellow, so I thought I would just go ahead and grab it while I was there because you cannot beat the price of a cake mix from Aldi. Let's see here. I got some, am I going upside down here? Here we go. It's kind of hard to see. Some plain light yogurt. This was only $1 something for this big tub. So I'm going to try to eat some more yogurt, y'all. Got some butter. 3 packets of brown gravy mix, which I'm going to be using on cube steak on Sunday. They had this in their on their aisle today, and I thought I couldn't believe they had it, but it's the Olive Garden Italian dressing. I went ahead and snagged that up because I absolutely love this, and I'm trying to incorporate eating a lot more vegetables in my diet. I'm trying to do better. But since, you know, the lockdown, we kind of got into this malicious habit of eating a lot of carbs and junk, and so I'm trying to do a little better. This tomato, basil, and garlic, this is a spaghetti sauce that they sell, and it's the one with the purple lid, so it'll be easy for you all to find. I absolutely love this on pizza. It is so good. If you make homemade pizza, and as far as the sauce, this one here is a little sweet with a little kick, is the only way that I can really describe it. It has a wonderful, wonderful taste to it. And I have yet to find another sauce like it. And I have to say, this is our favorite. It might not be your preference, but it is ours. It's very, very good. So thank you, Aldi's, for having that. So I got another thing, a giant ranch dressing. Ronnie eats a lot of ranch dressing, so I always make sure I buy a big bottle and I have it on hand. We have one open in the fridge, but just want to make sure I had the month covered. Some breadcrumb, the Italian style. I use that when I make salmon cakes or whatnot. Some black olives. We have been putting that in our egg salad sandwiches. Got 2 cans of black beans. You cannot beat the deal of black beans at Aldi's, 50 cents a can. Some chicken rice. And I'm going to tell you guys, last time I made this according to the directions, and then I added in a rotel, a can of rotel, and it made it spicy, and it was really, really good. Ronnie loved it, and we had it with tacos. It was really, really good. So, just an idea. We love these egg rolls. If you all have not tried the egg rolls, these are really good. I have to say, when you bake these in the oven, they taste more like what you would get out of a restaurant. And you have that fried taste without frying it. It is so amazing. I was really well pleased with those. I got 2 of those. There's another scalloped potato. Let's see here. We've got some queso. This is con queso. This is for Ronnie. We have tons of tortilla chips in the house, and he loves that. Bought me some fish oil because I'm going to start taking this again. Very good for your skin if you have dry skin, which I do at the moment. I got 2 things of strawberry jello. Just kind of have a hankering for jello lately. Some Dawn liquid. Let's see here. Chicken bouillon cubes. I always keep those on hand, and I use those quite frequent. Got a little pint of blueberries. Thing of biscuits. I know I got 2 things of the mild cheddar, 2 things of the mozzarella, 4 little sweet onions. I love their sweet onions. Very, very good. Here's my other jello. I got 2 things of sour cream. I'm going to be doing a recipe video here soon for a coconut upside down cake. My mother sent me the recipe. It is so good. It was so good and so easy, and I want to share it with you guys because I know that Easter's coming and you might need to take something to a family get together and you need something easy. This recipe is easy and it is delicious, so I can't wait to share that with you. So I got 2 things of bacon. Anybody else feel that bacon is a little overpriced these days? Along with everything else, but bacon in particularly is very overpriced. Got some Italian sausage. All they had was mild. I prefer the hot, but I'm going to be putting this in hot jambalaya like rice anyways, so I think the mild will do. Got some chicken drumsticks. I was looking for the smaller thing of them, and I'm just going to half this because Ronnie and I cannot eat this in one setting. It's just too much. I get the family container of hamburger meat, and I split that up as well. Russet potatoes and a loaf of wheat bread. Yep, wheat bread. And that is all I bought today. And I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing this. Let's see here. I'm going to get my list here. So if you see here, it says Friday's chicken fajitas. That's today. Saturday, we're having hot dogs. I'm making hot dog chili. And we had I made homemade mac and cheese yesterday, so we're going to be eating those leftovers. We've got Sunday, we're going to have cube steak and mashed potatoes and gravy and 7-layer salad. Monday, we're going to have beans with Mexican cornbread. That is a good meal. Tuesday, rigatoni and garlic bread. Wednesday, we're going to have hamburgers and fries. Thursday, we're going to make homemade pizza. Ronnie loves to get in the kitchen and help me make the dough. So Friday, we're having salmon patties and scalloped potatoes. Saturday, we're having egg salad. Ronnie loves my egg salad. He hated egg salad till he had mine, and he loves mine. So let's see. Sunday, chicken drumsticks and rice. Monday's going to be fish sandwiches. Tuesday, we're going to have Brenner, so we're going to have biscuits and sausage gravy. Wednesday, we are going to have hot sausage and rice and beans. That is the jambalaya and this sausage right here. I also have stuff to make several other things too, so this may get switched up a little bit, but I always make sure I have a couple extras of things that I can make. So we have the Chinese food that I bought, so that's an extra meal. So we're going to make it through the month. I hope you guys are having a fantastic March. Thanks so much for watching. I don't know if I said, but I spent about $120 today, which I think for all of these meals, I don't think is bad. And I will be talking to you all again soon. If you are new to my channel, let me flip you around. Hey guys, so if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my channel. Got a lot of fun things in store coming up. By the way, if you are curious, the salad was absolutely delicious. I loved it. It was great with the grapes. I'm going to put up the groceries. I'm going to have me a quick cup of coffee, and then I got to get to work. So, hope you have a fantastic day when you see this, which will be today. If I keep your fingers crossed, I get this out. And I will be talking to you all again soon. God bless, guys. Bye.